Hi, this is your realtor, Phynora Ible.
And this is your agent, Jay.
And today we'll be going to the Mini-Hillside Mansion located at St. Peter's, St. Kitts.
All right, so let's buckle up.
Let's go! Nestled amidst the verdant flora and rolling hills of Fountain Estate, St. Peter's, and commanding a captivating view of both the Caribbean Sea and Atlantic Ocean, is the affectionately named Mini-Hillside Mansion. Yes, it's for sale. This charming 6,191 square feet octagon is the showpiece of the 1 acre lot that also boasts a bountiful fruit garden. This home was designed and built with the best craftsmanship and meticulous attention to detail. The house is very airy and flooded with natural light courtesy its 26 windows. The spacious living room shows off the hypnotic geometry of the high-rising octagonal roof that keeps the home cool throughout the day. The dining room comfortably hosts large gatherings. The large kitchen boasts many storage spaces and an island with room for a breakfast nook. On the top floor are the master bedroom with ensuite bathroom, one other bedroom, one full standalone bathroom, and 2.5 bathrooms. Your very own spa, complete with a hot tub, beckons for rest and relaxation. The first floor comprises of a large open space living room or multifunctional area, 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a study, a laundry room, and a third room that may be used as a den, bedroom, or other. On each floor are double doors that lead to balconies where you may enjoy the view of the expansive lawn, garden, city, and the Caribbean Sea. Thank you for watching. And if you're interested in this property, please contact us at info@iblerealestate.com or 869-667-7575. Remember, like and subscribe.